Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Next question, ninth question from Mauryas and Kushanas. Answer the following in a word or a sentence. What are the other names of Chanakya? Chanakya yaru makle? Who is Chanakya? Chanakya was the Chandragupta Maurya's minister, isn't it? So his other names are Vishnugupta and Kautilya. So atana hesaru Vishnugupta mattu Kautilya. Okay. So he has written the famous book called Arthashastra. ಯಾವ book ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದಂತದ್ದು ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ. ಚಾಣಕ್ಯ ಬರೆದಂತಹ ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಬುಕ್. ಓಕೆ. Sorry. He wrote the book called Arthashastra. Okay. Thank you.